SoftIron has announced VM Squared. It's their alternative virtualization platform following Broadcom's acquisition of VMware. The solution is built on SoftIron's HyperCloud technology, which we recently saw at Cloud Field Day. VM Squared includes simple deployment, automated scaling, and upgrade paths to private cloud, all aimed at alleviating complexities associated with traditional virtualization solutions. It also offers a VMware migration tool, which pretty much says everything you need to know about SoftIron's plans for where they want to sell this product. Stephen, you're very familiar with this solution. What should virtualization admins be looking at as they make the decision as to whether or not to stick on VMware or move to a different alternative?
Yeah, we were very impressed by SoftIron at Cloud Field Day. So back in January, we had SoftIron present their HyperCloud solution, and they announced their new version of HyperCloud. HyperCloud is basically a complete private cloud solution built on, and when I say complete, this is the important differentiator, built on in-house hardware. This thing is really, really complete, all the way from the motherboards up to the management interface. And the idea is that SoftIron is delivering a system, a truly integrated solution that replaces the need to do a lot of the things that IT operations groups and IT infrastructure groups need to do. They don't need to worry about selecting and procuring servers and storage and figuring out software and configuring it all and making it all work in order to have a true private cloud. SoftIron is not a new company. They've been doing this for a long, long time. This is a very mature solution, which is another thing that the Field Day delegates noted about their HyperCloud solution. And now here they are with a new innovation, and I am pretty impressed by what they're doing. One of the things that the delegates said at Cloud Field Day was, this is tremendous. It would be really great as an alternative to VMware, but I just don't see this as a VMware alternative. Well, that's what VM Squared is. It's a VMware alternative. Essentially, it's taking all of that HyperCloud magic in terms of building a truly integrated, flexible, scalable, dare I say, hyper-converged platform, and basically repackaging that for a VMware user that is concerned about the future with Broadcom. So VM Squared does basically all the things you think that you need from vSphere. It gives you all that stuff on a modern and secure platform. And importantly, it includes a VMware migration tool to help make the transition seamless. Now, I will be the first to admit that the transition is never going to be seamless because there's always challenges moving from one platform to another. But SoftIron is trying to help make it better and trying to help make it more useful, and I applaud them for that. They're also trying to basically refactor this product to make it more appealing. And admittedly, I only looked at it a little bit on their website and so on. But, I can see the appeal as a VMware admin. I could see looking at this thing and saying, yeah, that thing makes sense. And then you mix in the other SoftIron magic, which, as I mentioned, it's all built on a truly integrated hardware platform as well. And you might start saying, this is kind of what I'm looking for. And so I really applaud SoftIron for doing this. I'm glad to see companies coming up with alternatives to VMware, whether it's SoftIron or Nutanix or any of these other solutions out there that we're seeing. And yet, I also applaud the VMware company for staying true to their focus and basically doing under Broadcom what they should, which is focusing on their core market. I think that many of the users of VMware would be better served with an alternative product. And I think that VMware and Broadcom would agree to that. Whereas, you look at these companies like SoftIron, I think SoftIron would be happy to raise their hands and say, you know what? Yeah, you're better for our platform, and here it is. So all in all, I think it's good for the market to see solutions like this out there. And, I think you should take a look at SoftIron.